Hey guys, I'm Tom from the Lens Depot. Today we're going to be talking about our quantum Q flashes. Now, a lot of people will ask, what's the benefit of using a quantum flash over a standard Nikon or Canon hot shoe mount? There are a couple advantages. The biggest one is the quantum uses its own dedicated power source. You do need to rent a quantum turbo battery in order to power it, but this allows the flash to have more consistent and slightly faster recycle times. The other benefit is the quantum is almost like a strobe, that it uses a traditional flash tube that can be replaced. This also allows you to use a wide variety of modifiers, such as the standard reflector that comes with it that allows a pretty nice even output. There are also other accessories that we offer, such as the quantum bare bulb enhancer, as well as an octagon softbox. So let's take a look at the two different models that we have. We'll start with the Trio Basic. It's going to be right here. So these are going to be dedicated for the Nikon or Canon system. We rent them for each. They will go directly into your hot shoe just like a standard shoe mount flash. The nice thing is that carries over all of the TTL capability, but you can also fire the flash in aperture auto or full manual mode depending on your preference. The only thing you would need to rent in addition to this would be the turbo battery in order to power the flash. The other option that we have is going to be the T5DR. Now, this gives you a little bit more flexibility. There's more options that you have for it. So it is a bracket mount flash by default. So this will mount on the top of one of our folding flash brackets. And if you're wanting TTL capability, you will need to rent one of the transmitters. They are dedicated for Nikon and Canon, the D22 and D23WR. This is an interface that goes into the hot shoe and connects with the T5DR and allows the flash to transmit all of the TTL information. You can also fire the flash in manual or aperture auto mode as well. You will still need a quantum battery to power this. The other options that you can do with this, since it has a standard 1/4 20-inch mount on the bottom of it, you can also mount it onto the top of any light stand and use it as an off-camera flash. If you decide to go this option, we do recommend renting pocket wizards so you can trigger these remotely. You would need one for your camera as well as one for the remote flash, but that kind of gives you the capability of having like a small strobe out in the field. The last option that you can do, you can also connect it with our Q-Nexus transmitter. Now this is a unique piece. It's only compatible with the T5DR, but what this does is will allow you to interface with any Nikon or Canon ETTL or ITTL flash and integrate into their wireless slave system. Now you are limited to direct line of sight with this, but the nice thing is this unit will work for either system. You don't have to rent one dedicated to the camera. And that pretty much covers it today for our quantum flashes. If you do have any questions, you're always welcome to email us at sales@thelensdepot.com. Otherwise, you can visit us online at thelensdepot.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.